If you're a new mom focused on nourishing your body while caring for your little one, choosing the right supplements matters. In today's video, we've picked the top 5 best protein powder for breastfeeding moms to support your postpartum wellness. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Premier Protein Powder. Premier Protein Powder stands out as a favorite for those seeking a smooth, indulgent, and nutritious protein supplement, particularly in its rich chocolate flavor. One of the highlights of this product is its high protein content, delivering 30 grams of protein per serving, all derived from high-quality whey protein isolate and concentrate. This makes it an excellent choice for individuals focused on muscle recovery, weight management, or simply curbing hunger in a health-conscious way. What makes it even more appealing is its minimal sugar content, only 1 gram per serving, along with 3 grams of carbs and 150 calories. It's also a low-fat, gluten-free option free from soy ingredients, which is a bonus for those with dietary restrictions. Each tub provides 17 servings and includes a scoop, simplifying portioning and preparation. Its versatility is another major plus. You can mix it with water for a classic shake or get creative by blending it into smoothies, pancakes, muffins, and even protein-packed desserts like brownies and cookies. The formula features a carefully selected list of ingredients, including cocoa processed with alkali for a smoother taste, soluble corn fiber, and natural and artificial flavors, sweetened with acesulfame potassium and sucralose. The result is a guilt-free treat that satisfies chocolate cravings while supporting your fitness goals. Whether you're using it for post-workout recovery or a quick, nutrient-rich snack, Premier Protein Powder remains reliable for taste, texture, and nutritional profile. Users particularly appreciate its ease of mixing, achieving a lump-free, creamy consistency without the need for a blender. Number 2. Vega Greens Protein Powder. Vega Greens Protein Powder is an excellent plant-based option for health-conscious individuals wanting to boost their daily nutrition effortlessly. Offering 20 grams of plant-based protein per serving, this product is thoughtfully made with real green vegetable ingredients like organic spinach, kale, alfalfa, and broccoli, making it a powerhouse for those pursuing a plant-centric lifestyle. It contains no added sugar and is sweetened naturally with stevia, which keeps the calorie count to a modest 120 per serving. Vega Greens Protein Powder is notably keto-friendly with only 4 grams of net carbs, and it's both gluten-free and dairy-free, ideal for those managing specific dietary restrictions. Certified vegan and non-GMO project verified, this protein powder appeals to environmentally conscious consumers who prioritize clean, ethical food sources. The flavor, though plant-based, maintains a pleasantly smooth profile when mixed with ice-cold water or your favorite plant-based milk, and it blends well into smoothies without leaving a chalky residue. Its versatility extends beyond shakes, allowing users to bake it into various recipes such as muffins, protein bars, and pancakes for an extra nutritional punch. Consumers appreciate the balance of flavor and nutrition, especially considering the inclusion of leafy greens without overpowering the taste. Its protein source is derived from peas and other plant proteins, providing a complete amino acid profile essential for muscle repair and growth. The clean ingredient list also ensures there are no artificial flavors, preservatives, or unnecessary fillers, making it a reliable daily supplement. Packaging may vary, but the product inside maintains consistent quality and taste. Number 3. Kneaded Collagen Protein Powder. Kneaded Collagen Protein Powder is a thoughtfully designed supplement crafted specifically for mothers, focusing on both prenatal and postnatal health needs. Each serving delivers 15 grams of high-quality collagen protein sourced from the hides of grass-fed, pasture-raised, hormone-free bovines from New Zealand. Its primary focus lies in promoting skin, tissue, and pelvic floor health, which is especially crucial during pregnancy, vaginal births, C-sections, and postpartum recovery. The tailored amino acid profile supports increased protein requirements that come with pregnancy, addressing nutritional gaps when conventional protein sources may fall short. In addition to supporting muscle and tissue repair, this collagen protein is lauded for its potential benefits in reducing the risk of vaginal tearing, maintaining pelvic integrity, and improving skin elasticity to combat stretch marks. Immunity and gut health support for both mother and baby are added benefits of this nutrient-dense formula. Developed in collaboration with doctors, healthcare practitioners, researchers, and real moms, Kneaded collagen protein powder stands out for its clean, sustainably sourced ingredients and lack of unnecessary additives. It is flavor neutral and easily dissolves into beverages, soups, and baked goods without altering the taste or texture, making it a versatile choice for daily supplementation. Moms appreciate the ease with which it integrates into their routines, whether mixed into a morning smoothie or stirred into warm tea. The product's commitment to ethical sourcing and optimal absorption sets it apart, providing peace of mind for conscientious consumers. Number 4. Booby Body Superfood Protein. Booby Body Superfood Protein is a dynamic, nutrient-rich protein powder designed with the needs of mothers in mind. This vegan-friendly formula delivers 19 grams of plant-based protein per serving, bolstered by 9 organic superfoods, offering comprehensive nourishment in a convenient shake. With only 1 net carb and 0 sugar per serving, it caters perfectly to health-conscious moms balancing busy schedules and nutritional needs. Each serving also includes a significant 1,000 IUs of vitamin D, essential for maintaining bone health and immune function, particularly important during and after pregnancy. The superfood blend features nutrient-dense ingredients like morena and turmeric, known for their anti-inflammatory and energy-boosting properties. Booby Body Protein is organic, gluten-free, dairy-free, and free from GMOs, making it a clean and trustworthy choice for mothers at every stage of their journey, from pregnancy and breastfeeding to the toddler years. Developed by Wendy Colson, a registered nurse, lactation consultant, and mother of 3, this protein powder reflects both professional expertise and personal experience. It integrates seamlessly into various recipes and drinks, working well in smoothies, protein balls, and even baked goods, ensuring that busy moms can easily maintain their nutritional intake. Number 5. Pink Stork Protein Powder. Pink Stork Protein Powder is a premium nutritional supplement tailored specifically for the unique needs of pregnant and nursing women. Each serving delivers a generous 20 grams of protein sourced from both collagen and whey, offering a balanced blend of complete proteins to support muscle maintenance, cellular repair, and overall maternal health. Enhanced with essential minerals such as magnesium, sodium, potassium, and calcium, it doubles as a natural electrolyte replenisher, which is especially beneficial for hydration during pregnancy. The rich chocolate truffle flavor makes it a tasty and indulgent way to meet increased protein requirements that naturally rise throughout pregnancy and breastfeeding. Collagen inclusion also contributes to skin elasticity, hair, and nail health, which are often concerns during and after pregnancy. Free from GMOs, gluten, wheat, and soy, and formulated by a female-led team of experts, Pink Stork Protein Powder emphasizes clean, reliable nutrition with third-party testing to ensure safety and efficacy. Its versatility extends beyond shakes. It blends well into lactation cookies, energy oats, smoothies, and even milkshakes,